Can you tell us a little bit what's Lemoptix exactly?
So at Lemoptix we developed, conceive and technologies around microbeamers, and to make really tiny beamers that goes into mobile devices such as mobile phone, laptops, in order to basically display a big image from a small device. So there's many applications. Mobile phone is one of them, but we also can put our projector into cars for head-up display application, in order to project virtual image in your field of view, to provide critical information for the driver, so as to drive in a safe mode. So really having a small projector for a big image from a small device is a key word. And the key thing of our technology as compared to others is the fact that our system is always in focus. So basically, if you project from your mobile phone to any surface, whatever the distance in between your mobile phone and your surface is, your image will be sharp. And this is really due to the intrinsic technology, because we use a laser and we use a MEMS mirror as a display feature.
What kind of companies do you address?
So basically, our target companies are typically OEM or tier ones. So OEM is typically like Samsung type or LG type, or their supplier, like called ODM, which is the original device manufacturer, many Taiwanese company that are providing components to those big players. They are providing basically platforms, and we are discussing with them so that in next generation they provide a microbeamer into their platform to the big guys.
Is Lemoptix totally innovative, or are there already any companies that are doing the same thing?
It's innovative in one sense, is that we have competitor, hopefully, because otherwise we couldn't doubt that there is a market behind. And we have a competitor, but still at the startup level. So at the company today, we are like around 20 people, so starting to be a good technology leader in that sense. And this was our initial target, even if we started a bit later compared to our competitors. But now we definitely have the technology leadership, which is recognized by each player, from the consumer to the automotive markets.
Is it an advantage for you, for those type of human resources, to be set up at EPFL site?
Yeah, definitely, because first we have certain person of the company, certain employees are coming directly from the EPFL, not mentioning the training, but people finishing EPFL, master or PhD. We have some people here or people around that have been working at some point of their time at the EPFL or close to the EPFL environment. So this is one part of the people working at Lemoptix. The other part is people being attracted by the region, by the area, by the nice living, etc.
How do you see the future of your company in like 5 years?
So we'll see us growing, but we have a specific business model in the sense that we license our technology, so we're not providing a product on the market, finished product. Per se, we're not going to build a factory here, neither nowhere else. And we remain like a technology company, developing technology further and growing the team with kind of high-level technical experts in their field.